2008 Yamaha Raider, and this is the Raider Midnight. The Raider is definitely in that category with the M109 and with the VTX 1800. It's a muscle bike, and I know what you're thinking. You're like, yo, don't forget about the VMAX. VMAX is more of a sport muscle bike. This is nothing sport about this. This is pure blown muscle bike, and this one's got the biggest engine out of all of them, with a 113 1900 cubic inch. What a beast. It's got that killer sound of that ginormous V-twin. Why was this bike made? Just to be awesome. They're like, what's the, because you don't need this much power. They're like, let's put a giant motor. Let's put, like, you know, they had some like round table discussion. They're like, all right, how big can we go? And they're like, we'll go 1600. And they're like, yeah, we'll go 1700. Yeah, 1800. Yeah, okay, all right. And then some guy like just throwing it out there, like he didn't think it was gonna happen. Didn't think anyone would do it. He was like, oh, let's go 1900. And they're like, yep. And then somehow it was an accident. And then they were like, yeah, we're building a 1900. We're building a 113 cubic inch. It's probably bigger than the motor in that thing.